Exploring idioms, as happy as Larry, Unveiled. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English idiom that might have puzzled you. As happy as Larry. This expression is a gem in English conversations, and understanding it will not only enrich your vocabulary but also give you a peek into the cultural nuances of the English language. So, let's get started and find out why Larry is so happy. The phrase, as happy as Larry, is an idiom used to describe someone who is extremely happy or content. But who is Larry, and why is his happiness the benchmark? Interestingly, the exact origin of this phrase is a bit of a mystery, and there are several theories about who Larry might have been. Despite the uncertain origins, the phrase has become widely used in English-speaking countries to express a state of great joy or satisfaction. While the true origin of "as happy as Larry" remains unclear, one popular theory suggests it may have originated from the boxing world. A New Zealand boxer named Larry Foley in the 19th century is often mentioned in connection with this idiom. After winning a significant fight in 1891, Larry was indeed very happy with the prize money, which might have led to the birth of this expression. Another theory links the phrase to Australian and British slang, where Larry was a term associated with being lively or carefree. Regardless of its true origins, the idiom has stood the test of time and is used to express pure happiness and contentment. Incorporating idioms like "as happy as Larry" into your conversations can make your English sound more natural and fluent. You can use this phrase whenever you want to describe someone's happiness in a vivid and picturesque way. For example, after passing an important exam, you might say, "I was as happy as Larry when I saw my results." This not only conveys your happiness but also adds a splash of color and personality to your language. We hope you enjoyed learning about the idiom, "as happy as Larry," and that you're now as happy as Larry to have this expression in your English toolkit. Idioms are a fun and essential part of mastering a language, offering insights into its cultural quirks and enriching your conversational skills. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to sprinkle your conversations with idioms like this to sound more like a native speaker. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.